Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video I will be showing you how to play around with multiple video effects in Sony Vegas. If you are new in this channel, consider subscribing and hit on the bell so that you won't miss any of our online tutorials. Let's get into the video. So before we start, I would like to tell you guys that Vegas Pro has four basically video effects. So the first is what we call event effect. So event effect is applied on a particular video event. Like this, if I want to apply a video event, I can apply it on this by clicking on this icon on a particular video event. Then I select the effect I want to apply, then I hit on OK. Secondly, we have what we call media effect. Like this event is a single event, but if I split this event into multiple clips like this, then I right click on a single one, I choose media effect, select a video effect like color curves, I play around with it the way I want. See that this color curves is going to be applied on all these splitted video events just because they were all one. Thirdly, we have what we call track effect, which is located onto your track header. So if I click on this track effect, I have the possibility to select whatsoever video effect I want to apply to my clips. And remember, this track effect is going to be applied all along to your track. Note that if you select a video effect or multiple video effects, it are going to be applied throughout that track, no matter the length or the duration of your clip. If I play around with these effects to the level I want, you find out that these effects are being applied throughout this entire video track. In fact, this one doesn't have because it is located on a different video track. So if I place this one at the top, the video effect automatically applies on that video event. So if I play around with it, the fourth and the last one is what we call output video effect. Output video effect is located here. This output video effect is applied to your entire video clips on your timeline. So clicking on it, if I choose maybe light rays, if I play around with this light rays, you see how they are being applied. This light rays is being applied throughout my entire video. If I go to this other track, light rays is being applied. Should in case you want to apply a particular video effect on multiple clips, you can either select those clips and place them on a single track. For example, let's say I want to apply a particular video effect on this event and also this event, so I can make these two events, I place them on the same video track like this. Then I go to my track effect and I select maybe Vegas crop and night. I just need to do whatever I want to do with it. That way, see, it is applied here and here. So if you don't want to place these multiple clips on a single track so that you can apply identical video effects, you can either apply this video effect on a single video by going to the event effect, select the event effect you want, OK, close, right click onto the video, go to copy, select the clip you want to paste that particular effect, right click on it, then you choose paste event attribute. You see that the noise effect has automatically been added in it. So if I redo, then I redo once more, I'll undo. You can also apply these effects to multiple clips at once. You just need to select these clips by holding down Ctrl while selecting them like this. That is applying multiple effects or applying an effect on multiple clips. Then now I click on a single, I go to paste event attribute. So if I paste my cursor here, you see that the effect I just copied has been applied on this event, applied also here and also here. To conclude, after editing your project, you may like to do some color corrector. All you need is to go to the video output effect so that this effect automatically applies to all of your events. Click onto your video output effect, select the video effect you want. For example, if I pick color curves, I go to add and OK. Do this. For example, I'm just like showing you what to do. Let me say this, I'm okay with this. If I go through, you see that this effect will be automatically added onto all of your clips. That is the package I put for you today in this tutorial. If you have questions or you are doubting on anything, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. Please, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and share. I will see you in the next tutorial.